Today I'm making a fluffy banana cake.
Let's get started.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First, crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Make sure you spend plenty of time mixing because you want to incorporate the air into the cake. Melt half a cup of butter in a pan over medium-low heat. Melting butter really looks satisfying. Pour the butter into the bowl with the eggs. Put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. In a separate bowl, put a cup of flour and a cup of sugar. Whisk as always. Put a teaspoon of baking soda to help it rise.
In my opinion, smushing bananas is gross. I don't know about other people.
That's why I'm going to show you the peeling part of 2 bananas instead of showing all the smushing and stuff. Pour the bowl with the wet ingredients to the bowl with the dry ingredients. I'm getting a separate spoon because whisks, in my experience, always have stuff stuck in it and it doesn't really work. Mix and then put the bananas into the bowl. Like always, mix well. Es muy importante. I'm putting half a cup of walnuts in this cake, and you really don't have to, but I feel like it makes the cake taste a lot better because it adds a different texture to it. We're done. Don't forget to oil your pan or put some parchment paper because you don't want that cake sticking in your pan. Yeah, and push it into the center just like that. It should take around 45 minutes to bake, but every oven's different. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video.